What's up everybody, Crypto Hype here, back at it again with another brand new video, and today we are going to be talking about Ripple and Wabi. Before we get down with business, let me just let you know in advance that I'm going to be giving away $50 worth of Falcon coins. So in order for you to win the $50 worth of Falcon coins, all you gotta do is smash the like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and please drop your Falcon coin wallet address in the comment section below. You guys are going to be able to find out today's lucky winner in the next video that I make about Falcon coins. So please
do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, today I actually gave away $100 worth of Falcon coin. As you can see right over here, the proof is actually in the pudding. So if you guys really want to stand a chance to win $50 worth of Falcon coins, all you got to do is create yourself a Falcon coin account right over here, and please drop me a comment. Always smash the like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and please drop your Falcon coin wallet, and I'm obviously going to be able to pick a random winner. So that's what it is. And anyway, getting back to today's video, let's talk about Ripple. Ripple is a very it's like a very weird cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrencies are supposed to be for the people, decentralized organizations that really cater to the people's needs. Like, the only reason a lot of people are into cryptocurrencies is because they don't really want to be controlled by banks, governments, and that stuff. But this cryptocurrency in particular is actually made for the banks, but we don't really care because we only care about profits. Like, really, guys, don't really care whether Ripple is for the banks, Ripple is for whoever it is. All I just want to do is make money. So I'm just going to be in and out pretty fast. So obviously you guys already read a lot about Ripple, because Ripple is actually in the top 10 list of all the best cryptocurrencies. So as you can see, the current market cap is about 18.1 billion US dollars, and the volume is about 3.3 billion US dollars. So if you look at the total circulating supply and the circulating supply, right, you guys are actually going to discover that Ripple has got a whole lot of coins, but that doesn't really matter because we only want to trade. This is actually going to be a very quick trade for me. Like, I don't really plan to stay with Ripple for a very long period of time, so yeah. Anyway, let's just quickly look at the charts, because I don't really want to waste a whole lot of time. So as you can see, this is an absolute beauty. Look at how beautiful this chart looks like. So as you can see, we can't really go wrong with this chart. As you can see, this was its previous high, and right now it's actually consolidating. It's actually trying to go way back up. So guys, this is what we call a reversal. A reversal pattern is bound to happen soon, and there's a lot of things going to happen which are going to happen with Ripple in the next coming days, especially on Friday. By the way, today's date is actually, let me just look at today's date. Today is actually the 13th of December 2017. So apparently on Friday, today is actually Wednesday. So Ripple team is promising that they're going to have a whole lot of good news on Friday. So hopefully this is going to bump up the price. So what I really want you guys to do is, if you are ever going to invest in Ripple, and by the way, this is not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, these are pretty much my own trades, and I'm just letting you guys know exactly what I'm doing. But if you were supposed to, if you're ever going to buy Ripple, all you have to do is take it easy, okay? So don't rush. Just take it easy and always buy in intervals. So let me just go back to the 30 minutes charts to show you the fluctuation. So as you can see right over here, guys, try to get between 2,000 Satoshi and 2,500 or 2,700. That's your first buy whatever target. And in case it drops below that price point, right, try to get it right over here, anything which is going to be below 2,000 to about 1,300 Satoshi is going to be perfectly fine. So those are the price targets that you guys are supposed to get Ripple in. So it just depends when you guys are going to watch this video. Hopefully, I don't know, maybe after the 2 weeks, the price of Ripple is going to go through the roof. But as you can see from this chart right over here, Ripple has been on a down trend for a very long period of time, and as you can see, there was suddenly a breath of fresh air right over here. What really happened on the 11th of December, on the 11th of December, a lot of people started buying Ripple. Obviously it's because of the news which is going to be released on Friday. this week, on this Friday. So obviously a lot of people are really jumping into Ripple so that they can actually get to ride the wave. But if you look at this chart, right, if you get in now, you guys are actually going to be able to benefit and ride the wave. Remember what really happened to IOTA. IOTA was almost behaving similar to what Ripple went through as well. So what really happened to IOTA as well, right? It was very, very sloppy right over here. It was like going on the downward part of the chart. And what really happened, like all of a sudden, a lot of influx traders flocked to IOTA. So what really can happen with Ripple potentially is this thing can also happen, but it just depends on what type of news these guys are going to give us. Like for example, if they give us very bad whack news, then obviously the price of Ripple is not really going to go up. It's actually going to go down. So this is one of the reasons that you guys have to find the perfect entry for you. I just told you the buy entry, levels, and just try to get in as early as possible. And please do not invest a lot of money. Do not invest a lot of money. But as far as I'm concerned, it's not really that risky because the chart is very, very, low. It's not like we're going to buy around this area where we are in the middle of the chart, but we are on the bottom of the chart right now. And this is actually a good reason because we actually know that Ripple can go further up. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for Ripple. But just be careful. Do not invest in anything that you don't really know. Like if you guys are not very active, if you guys don't really have time to check up on what's happening on what's happening on Twitter, what's happening with Ripple, please stay away from this trade because it's a very risky one. But in case they're going to give us very good news, then hopefully we're going to see a very drastic rise with Ripple, and hopefully it's really going to really benefit a whole lot of people. But a lot of people are saying that Ripple is going to be added on Coinbase. I really don't believe that. I really don't think Ripple is going to be added on Coinbase. I don't know, like I highly doubt. So yeah, let's just also look at this. So as you can see, these are the Fibonacci retracements of Ripple, like from its highest point and its recent lowest low. So as you can see right about now, we are even trading below 23.6 fib. That is absolutely amazing. And the funny thing about this is we were actually shown that Ripple has got it has got a little bit of momentum in it. So as you can see right over here, these are the green parts, meaning a lot of people are beginning to buy Ripple. And by the way, if you look at these people who were buying right around here, let me just show you these people who started buying Ripple around these areas, right? These are the inside traders. These are the people who know inside. These are the people who've got access to the to inside news. So this is what we call smart money, okay? And then whenever it reached this area, right, a little bit of smart money came out, and then there was like a drastic drop, okay? Then some more people who recognized, like traders like you and I, we recognized the trend. Then a little bit of smart money came in as well, okay? So what's really going to happen is there's really going to be an influx of traders who are going to flock to Ripple, and obviously there's going to be an upward trend, okay? That is only going to happen provided that Ripple gives us very great announcements. So whatever I said, it only depends whether Ripple is going to have extremely good, valuable announcements. So for example, if Ripple is going to give us bad news, it's obviously going to go down. But as far as I'm concerned, as far as trading is concerned, buying around these areas, you can never go wrong. You can never ever hold bags. All right, and remember what I told you guys, go to the 1 minute chart, or rather the 15-minute charts, so that you can actually see the price fluctuations right over here. If you guys can actually try to catch it around these areas when it's going down, like right about now 2,700, it's like decreasing, and there's a little bit of support right over here. That really means there's some sort of stable base for it. So in case it drops down, right, you can always try to catch it like right over here. Previous resistance becomes support. So 2,400, 2,200, 1,800 and so on and so forth. So that's what you're supposed to do. But remember what I told you, you always have to buy in intervals. Do not, for example, if you've got 1 BTC, right, do not spend the whole 1 BTC on one purchase. You always have to practice dollar cost averaging. Okay, that's what you're supposed to do. So guys, I hope you understand the gist of this trade, and I hope you guys are obviously going to get a little something from this. But I really believe that Ripple might do a little something for you guys. So yeah, I'm hoping that this trade is going to be awesome. If it's not really going to turn out good, I don't know, like hopefully I'm going to make about 70% from this one as well. But anyway, let's move over to Wabi. So Wabi is a very good cryptocurrency. I was talking about Wabi when it was in its ICO phase. So if we go to my YouTube channel, right, you guys can actually check out one of the YouTube channels that I did like recently. Let me just show you Ethereum tokens you must have. Omisago Bitstamp. I think it was this video on December 2nd. So I was talking about Wabi, and the people who are part of my private community, we got to buy Wabi. Ooh, look at the price of Ripple. Ooh, kill him. Ooh, kill him. 2,800. Go get him. So yeah, we were talking about Wabi, and we managed to get Wabi during its ICO phase, and the price of Wabi was actually 25 cents. Can you believe it? 25 cents, ladies and gentlemen. And apparently the current price is about $1.24, which makes us, you know, probably 5x on this trade. So me and my people, we made about 500% profit, and the people who got Wabi during its pre-ICO, they are actually 48 times right about now. They actually made, you know, 48 times their money. So that's pretty good. But I really believe that Wabi is actually going to do even better, because Wabi is more like Walton Chain Coin. Wabi is a direct competitor of Walton Chain Coin, and you guys already know that I've been a very huge supporter of Walton Chain Coin, and I was talking about Walton ever since it was 25 cents, or you know, like along those price ranges. And look at the current price right over here, $7.38. So yeah, this one is a direct competitor as well, and it has got a very good you know, business background and all that stuff. So you guys can actually look at the website, you guys can actually get to read the white paper and all that stuff. So let me just take you to Binance, because apparently you can actually get Wabi on Binance, and this is where the most volume is actually coming from. And guys, look at the volume. The 24-hour volume is about 19,387,500. That's a lot. That's a lot for a newly added cryptocurrency. So as you can see right over here, when we go to you know, Binance, as you can see, this is actually my trading history. I actually only managed to like buy 2,965 Wabi coins, because these guys had like a maximum purchase amount of 2,965. So this was actually the maximum amount of Wabi coins that I was able to purchase during the ICO, because they wanted everybody to have a piece of the pie. So everybody managed to get about 2,965. That was the maximum Wabi, the maximum amount of Wabi coins that you could have managed to purchase. And just like I told you, it was about 25 cents. So guys, to be honest with you guys, I only spent about $700 on Wabi during its ICO. I spent about $700 maximum, and yesterday I actually managed to sell Wabi at $1.33, which really makes me 5x plus. So I actually ended up making about $4,200 from my initial $700. So guys, I really hope that you guys are actually learning exactly how I'm flipping ICOs and really making money. So this is the process that I usually go through. So as you can see right over here, this is the amount of Wabi that I sold, 2,965, and the price was actually 7,950, and I really managed to get 0.23 bitcoins from this. So remember, my initial investment during its ICO was about $700, and right about now this is about, I think it's about 4,000 something, 4,000 plus some change. So guys, that's really very good as well, because we are actually flipping. But I just wanted to let you guys know that there's actually a whole lot of room to grow right about now. So as you can see, can we actually check out the market cap? So guys, if you guys are very good at mathematics, right, all you have to do in order for you to find out the market cap, right, you just have to multiply this price by the circulating supply. The circulating supply is going to be, I don't know, I think it's about 60 million if I'm not mistaken. Please do not quote me on this one because I'm not really sure, but I think it's about 60 million. All right, so the current market cap of Wabi is about, I don't know, like anything below 80 million US dollars. So as you can see, there's actually a whole lot of room for Wabi to grow. And by the way, Wabi has already got an existing product. These guys have been doing this business for a very long period of time. They already have like an existing clientele as well. So I really think that Wabi is going to go up pretty soon. But in case you're wondering, like, hey, crypto hype, if you really believe in Wabi, why the hell did you sell? Duh, it's called trading. I'm actually trading. So what's really going to be happening is I'm going to be trading Wabi, and whenever I'm going to be trading Wabi, right, I'm going to be increasing the number of Wabi coins that I had. Like initially I only had 2,965, but yesterday I sold Wabi at 7,965, and look at the price right now. So if we look at my decision, right, I actually did a very good thing to sell Wabi because I knew that people were going to be selling. And what's really going to happen is that whenever people forget about Wabi, because I'm constantly monitoring what's happening with Wabi and that stuff, I'm really going to find the best entry for me. Like I'm really going to buy back Wabi cheaper. You know, I'm trying to buy Wabi hopefully below 6,000, like let's say, I don't know, 5,200, somewhere there. So when I buy Wabi at a lower price, the number of Wabi tokens that I own is going to increase, and then I'm just going to wait, and then I'm going to sell at the next all-time high. So like that, I'm going to be trading like buy low, sell high, and I'm also going to be increasing the total number of Wabi tokens that I own. You get my point? So in order for you guys to do the same, you always have to play the game, guys. It's high time that you guys really took this trading game serious, because it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy. I kid you not. Everybody can do this. All you have to do is play the swings, okay? So I don't really know whether I can show you the whole chart right over here, because, you know, like this is a very weird chart. So as you can see, you guys are going to be able to like easily see what was happening. So let me just show you. Yeah, I think I sold like right over here around 7,965, like right over here. Okay, so when you guys study the basics of how charts and how, you know, these things work, you're going to be easily able to spot when to sell and when to buy. And whenever you sell, please, you have to have a game plan. Like for me, I already know where Wabi is going to go like in the next 6 months. I know it's going to be above 500 million US dollars as its market cap. So what I'm going to be doing is, until then, I'm just going to be trading it and increasing my positions, or rather increasing the number of Wabi tokens that I have. Like let's say, for example, right now I decided to like buy Wabi, right? I'm obviously going to have more than 2,965 because I'm actually buying back cheaper. So that's pretty much how you're supposed to play this game. Otherwise, guys, it's very easy to make money in cryptocurrencies. It's very easy to become a millionaire. Like believe you me, like in the next couple of months, I'm obviously going to make close to $1 million. And I really started from scratch. I really started with about you know, $500. I started with less than $500, but in this short period of time, I've actually made a whole lot of money. I've actually doubled. I've actually made a whole lot of money, you know. So man, there's a whole lot of opportunities. So guys, please do not procrastinate. Do not waste your time. Please take the time to learn the fundamentals. So remember what I told you about Ripple. Hopefully we're going to be able to make a whole lot of money depending on what these guys are going to announce on Friday. So that's what we are supposed to do. But anyway, in case our trade goes pretty bad, you already know what to do. You always have to have a stop limit. I'm sure you guys already know how to use a stop limit. If you don't really know how to use a stop limit, there's plenty of resources out there. You can easily you know, YouTube it or Google it, and you guys are going to be able to like you know, protect your profits. You're going to be able to protect your money and prevent yourselves from having losses. So that's what we are supposed to do. So guys, check out Ripple, check out Wabi. But when it comes to Wabi, when it comes to Wahby, wait for the rebound. Okay, if you guys don't really know exactly what basketball is, waiting for the rebound is just chilling on the sidelines, waiting for the ball to, you know, bounce from the whatever, the ring, or rather, I don't know, like, I'm not really a big basketball fan, but for whatever reasons I use that term. All right, guys, please just wait for the rebound and then buy back Wahby a little bit later. Just wait for the hype to decrease a little bit, then buy back later. But this is a very good cryptocurrency that you're supposed to look at, and if you really want to make a lot of bitcoins at a very fast period of time, Wahby is one of those coins which are going to do extremely well in 2017. So guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and investing is very risky. So if you learned a thing or two, please smash the like button, hit the subscribe button as well. Please drop your Falcon coin link. If you don't really know anything about Falcon coin, all you have to do is watch my previous videos. I have tons and tons of YouTube videos about Falcon coin. This is also one of those machines that I'm using to make a whole lot of bitcoins, and please be part of my team as well. The link is also going to be in the description, and by the way, there's also another ICO. Check out today's video. In today's video, I dropped a link to another ICO which is going to help you make 500% gains guaranteed. You're going to make 5x your money guaranteed. So yeah, it's been your boy the Crypto Hype, and I will be back again with another brand new video, hopefully tomorrow. So yeah, talk to you guys a little bit later. Drop all your comments and all that stuff. So yeah, talk to you guys a little bit later. Bye.